How to fix Vault app failed to fetch data. So here's the app, and you sometimes when you're using mini apps, when you go to your wallet, it just says failed to fetch data, and then you can't withdraw your money and all of that. So the simplest way is just swipe it up like that. This way you're quickly clearing the cache of any app and also Vault app. So just swipe it up. If again it's failed to fetch data, nothing can be done. I mean, you just need usually just wait like 20 minutes, 1 hour and try again. Obviously, you can try to reinstall the app. And just also make sure if you go to, if you just go to the Vault app, just make sure it's updated to the latest version. So here you need to, it should show open. If it's showing you update button, you just need to tap it to update to the latest version. So this is just what you have in here. But again, overall, this app is super buggy and glitchy. So this is normal behavior for the app. There are constant updates. And this app or server are just glitching out, especially during weekends or things like that. So in my case, usually I just need to wait for like 1 hour or just try it out next day, and then usually it is solved. But this is just a normal behavior. This is quite a glitchy app. That's why I advise you not to keep a lot of money in here. You never don't know what's gonna happen, and don't rely a lot on this app because it can glitch out at any moment. So that's just what it is.